Welcome Taurus to your 2017 December full moon manifestation video. So this is the last full moon of December of 2017. I hope you enjoy manifesting. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and commenting on my Taurus video. Actually, sorry, I know you guys did because I'm going to be uploading it all together. So I'm very sorry about the Taurus video that didn't come up on time. But please do look at it. Please let me know what you think about the relationship video. Please like, share and comment on that one and this one. Please let me know if there's any other reading that you want. But that's later. Now, for now, here we go. This is where you are. This is what you need to let go. This is what you need to work on. This is what you need to accept. So here we are, Taurus. You guys are famous for your details, famous for working on a project in detail before you actually go on to work, making it a reality. So all of your plans are pretty detailed and you have so much you've been thinking, planning and working on. But what happens when you're working with so much detail is that you forget the larger picture, and that's exactly what's happening with you, Taurians. You're forgetting the larger picture. You are so focused on the small details of life that you're forgetting the larger picture. And the larger picture is to enjoy every moment. And that's what the full moon is reminding you, that it's time to enjoy every moment. Whatever it is, it's fun. And that's okay, if you didn't manage your daily planner of the day, it's okay, you can do it tomorrow. I'm not saying become lazy. I'm just saying stop to enjoy the scenery, enjoy the beautiful Christmas time, enjoy the winters, enjoy the coming of the new year, enjoy the full moon. Go outside and look at the beautiful full moon. What the cards are asking you to let go of is they're asking you to let go of your basically they're asking you to let go of the same thing. They're asking you to let go of your ability to be so detailed that you cannot make a choice sometimes, because you know what you want, but when it's the choice between the larger picture and the smaller details, sometimes you tend to look at the smaller details. Okay, something didn't happen, but if it's not affecting the larger picture, don't go hounding about it. Not everything has to happen right now, right? Excuse me. So that's exactly what the cards are reminding you, that let go of the smaller details if it's not affecting the larger picture. What you need to really accept is that you need to work hard on working on paid work. You need to accept that in order to achieve your larger goals, your plans should come into reality. If you go on working into details and the plan's it's still on paper but not in reality, it's not going to help you. The idea is to have a balance between your detailed planning and its reality, and that's what the cards are reminding you, that it is time now that you've planned enough. Even if you did 80% of your planning, it's now time to put the plan into reality. The balance will come as time moves on. What you need to accept, you have to accept that you have all the support of the people around you. You guys tend to be so focused on things that you want that you forget that there are people around you to help you. They can help you get it. If you are not good enough for all the things, the people and the support around you have what you are missing within yourself, and it's all about going to them and asking for it. And it's very easy, trust me. Just go up to your friend and say, can you please help me? I am very sure they will help you. They're waiting to help you, but you don't give them a chance. So Taurians, I'm going to add one more card. This is your overall advice that the full moon's giving, and they want you to know, and this is what it is. So the full moon's asking you to remember that you can manifest abundance, you can get what you desire. The idea is you've prepared enough. It's now time to sow your seeds. It's now time to harvest what you want to get. Basically, they're asking you to remember that if you manifest today and you work on it, you will achieve your dreams. but start working on it. Planning has, you've planned enough. You've planned everything in detail. It's now time to actually start working, and work with the idea that you remember the bigger picture. Manifest the bigger picture. Stop worrying about the small details. So as long as you manifest the bigger picture, you will find that the universe and the people around you have all the tools that you need, and it will come to you in the right time, in the right moment, whenever you really need the most. So I really hope that you guys manifest away and you've started working on your plans. I hope to see you soon with the New Year's video that will come up. In the meantime, please like, share, and comment on my relationship Taurine video as well as the full moon video. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.